Hey young crooks, I don't know, so we outside like all the time. You see me I say, with another fan of the YouTube channel, Jermaine, pick up yourself. You see it, outside like all the time. I don't know who else they here, Richie
man,
there.
always out here like all the time, you see it?
Yeah man.
Straight man, big up to local man, you see it?
Yeah man, pick up yourself, the way you want to say.
Where you want to say?
And they big up together we road Kingston 13. The people were there.
Yeah man, I say a word man. Big up to Jermaine. You see me I say, don't know say I know we alone out here. You see me, Zesty's out here like all the time. You see it. Yeah man, he's out here and do that. You see free. I don't know where my way up as a back. See me? Don't know. Do that outside. Yeah man, with the young fan, Jermaine. You see free. Shout out to Jermaine. Big up yourself, Jermaine. You see me? Thanks for watching the video and them things that thanks to share and all of that. You see me? Don't say a word man, do the right thing. You see free. You don't know say Shane stunt outside like all the time. You see free. Yeah man, you don't know say we dep on the see free. Jermaine son, yo, up in a young truck. Pick up yourself, let's see outside. Yeah man, bike live. Shane stunt. Oh.
See stunts.
See free. Yeah. Jermaine, big up yourself. You outside like all the time. Yeah, up. See.
Take them off.
Yeah man, we outside like all the time. Made that girl take a park. You see free. Yeah man, we that outside, you see it? With a young fan, Jermaine. See free. Yeah. Peace, we out.